got blood on his hands, dirty money in the offering. The preacher man don't give a damn, because the cash keeps on talking. With his angels in the pew, while the devil's on his back, his word about God's people, and if they'll ever make it back. He's covered in